In this video, I will show you how to streamline your e-commerce workflow by using Claude to write and update your Shopify meta descriptions automatically. Meta descriptions are a critical component of search engine optimization because they serve as the primary pitch to potential customers browsing search results. Writing these manually for every single item in your catalog can take hours of your time, but integrating artificial intelligence turns this chore into a quick and easy task. To get started, you need to open your Claude chat interface and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar. You will need to click on this icon to access your available integrations and then ensure that the Shopify toggle is turned on. This step is essential because it gives Claude the necessary permissions to communicate with your store and make direct edits to your product pages. Once the integration is live, you can move on to the prompting phase. Simply copy and paste your specific product details or the direct URL of your landing page into the chat. You should then give Claude a clear set of instructions. Tell the AI to review the product details page and generate an SEO-friendly meta description that stays under 160 characters while including a clear call to action. Most importantly, you must specify that Claude should update the SEO meta description field on that specific Shopify product page directly. By including this instruction, you eliminate the need to copy and paste text back and forth between tabs. Claude will analyze your content, craft a compelling summary that appeals to both shoppers and search engines, and then save those changes to your store database immediately. This process ensures your store remains professional and optimized for growth without the manual data entry usually required.